Hello, it's Dave from Wisdom Industry Company Limited. The video here today is about our four-wheel drive electric scooters. It's four-wheel scooters. The four-wheel scooters has totally 8,000 watts. On each wheel, it has 2,000 watts brushless motor on hub motor. And it has independent shock suspensions. So we have 4 strong shock suspensions and 4 disc brakes on each wheel. So this model will be very, very powerful. The cargo rack, and in the rear we have another 2 disc brakes here. Okay, turning lights and brake light, and here we have a tow bar. Let's check the operation here. A key switch, LCD display. We have instant speed display here and a power indication. Here is a mileage on one time. Since this scooter is very powerful, total power up to 8,000 watts, so we have set different steps, 3 steps, different speed limitation, 1, 2, 3. And here's the switch on the forward and reverse. On the left hand here, we have a horn and a flashing lights, and a turning light, headlight switch. Okay. The size on the scooter is very big, it's huge. The length is up to 170 centimeters. And the seat is detachable, and also the front fork is foldable. Okay. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.